There's a light over the ocean. There's a wind touching me. Another plan set in motion. To finally set us free. Run, run, run. What's it all about? Run, 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 run. You better let me out.
Yeah,
You better let me
yeah, I'm bad. Hey. I don't fuck with this nigga, they corny. All of these niggas my homies. Most of the niggas they know me, nigga they own it, nigga they own me. Chilling with bitches and old trees, mixy tonic in the gardens. All of these bitches they horny, bitches they lonely, bitches they falling. Smoking weed but I'm scared of fights. Rolling weed and I'm catching flies. Drinking Henny and some Houston wine. Usually high, usually fly. Dallas cool bang gaga see when the Dala besit ngeke silunge nice fugekuseni siphande imali spend the mile okay. Ain't got no time for these haters, man. They've been living life, they've been living lies, and I'm living nice. Talking money, yeah, money highs. Talking, and shit, talking. Trying, so I keep walking. If it's plaga, I'll drink it. I was born for this shit, I'll never die. I'm rolling, I'll never fall. Twalangam, 20 threat. Way by the streets, I was racing the pushes. I'm a wild boy. Way by my nigga, I was way by the niggas, I was way by the folks. I'm a good boy. Damn, life is hard when you're living low. Life is good when you're living high. That's why I'm always high. I'm always
An
fly.
explosion.